In front of me is an Alcatel A3, and today I will show you how to move contacts from, for instance, SIM to somewhere else. And to do it, we're gonna open up the Contacts app. So tap on the app drawer and then find Contacts. From here, tap on the dots right here, and then you will see Import Export. So once you tap on it, you will have option where you want to basically select or copy contacts from. So we're gonna choose, for instance, the phone contacts right here. I believe they're on a phone, I'm not necessarily sure. Then tap on next, copy contacts to, so select where you want to copy them. So we can copy them, let's say, to either SIM, just the phone itself, or SD card that is in the phone. And then you have the options to select what contact you want to copy. So I guess on the phone there's only one contact, so they were located somewhere else, but you just do this, just copy, select what you want to copy, and then tap on OK, and you will see export contact, and basically it will be exported to a VCF file into the SD card. And then you can, let's say, move the SD card to somewhere else, other device, and open that file and basically gain access to all the contacts that you would select here. So that is how you would copy, move contacts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.